A greeting to all of you. My name is Shashank.
Myself Prashant.
We are students from SEC Railway Higher Secondary School number 2. We are from class 11th C stream science. And today we are going to show our exhibition model which is entitled with preeminent railway models. And this model is about the structure of railway station in which we can utilize it for the sustainability plus also ensure the safety toward our railway model. So here is the 3D diagram of our model. Let me showcase you how is it works. This is the 3D view of our stations model. Here, as you can see, when the train accurately arrives and stop to the station, as you can see here is an boundary, smart boundary and bridge that will automatically work as a bridge and also as a boundary. As you can see, when the train arrives, it automatically turns horizontally to let the passenger pass through into the train, and when it's a time for the departure of the train, it automatically turns vertically upward, as you can see, to prevent the passing of the passengers to the train as the train is going to depart. So as you have seen here, this is a dynamic rotatable boundary or a bridge system. Here there are two main benefits of this dynamic rotatable bridge or boundary system, because it will prevent the passenger as it fills the gap between the train and the station to that anyone cannot accidentally fall into this gap, and it will prevent the accident. The second main advantage of our model of this bridge is when no one can cross this from one platform to another through its bounding the gap between the two platforms, and also from the running train no one can step out to the platform as the boundary is vertically upward and it will block the way to the station. Our second model is the wind energy generation through the propellers that has been installed nearby the rail track where the trains moves very fast. As you can see here, the trains move with this high velocity. The wind caused by this high velocity would be stored in this windmill-like structure that will be the propelling structure, which will rotate when the train will pass nearby and will generate the electricity, and you can use for the different purposes, and also it promotes the sustainability, and for this propeller the natural wind will also cause it rotate and generate the electricity. Now we are demonstrating our project practically.
When the train arrives at the platform, this ultrasonic sensor that is attached in the edge of the station senses the arrival of the train, and this smart bridge will be horizontal, and after the departure of the train, the smart bridge will become to its vertical position.
Now we are demonstrating it practically. Here, as you can see, when the train engine arrives to its final position or final destination, the bridge automatically turns horizontally to let the passenger pass through it, and when the train is gone, it automatically turns to its normal vertical position.